Hello guys, welcome back for another video of So to Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil surface indicator and the mod inspection date of a BMW. This one is a 750i, high executive model, and building year is 2016. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can reset it manually for yourself. Before you start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, I've just resetted it. So first step you need to do is triple press the stop start button. 1, 2, 3, and you'll see that the ignition is turned on. Then we're gonna use this button over here, press and hold it, and the secret menu appears on the dashboard like this. You'll see the engine oil. If this comes up and you want to change or reset this engine oil, press and hold it for a few seconds, and then it will ask you to reset it and just press it again. So I'm gonna do the brake fluid is the same. Press and hold it, release, press it again, and you'll see that the new date is set. Go through the menu by pressing this button and resetting the required reset. The mod inspection is over here. We're gonna use this one. Go to my vehicle over here, vehicle status. Then we have the surface requirements and the vehicle check or the mod inspection is over here. And from here, this one, from here you can change the date to next year or the year you desire. Our next mod inspection for this car is in 2026, so I'm going to change it to over here. So that was it for this video. I hope it worked for you and it helped you reset your own vehicle. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.